Okay, so you know what? Let's roll the intro because we need to get started. It's already been 20 minutes. See you on the other side. Hello, bonjour, hi. Bonjour, hi, Cloudies. Welcome to my stream. Just one sec. Voila. So now our friend CB here, hello, hello, is monitoring the chat if you're trying the drop game, like saying stuff, or like if we receive a raid or anything, it will keep tracks of everything, so it will all go in the archive. Excellent. Yeah, sorry I'm late today, a little bit, kind of. If you're watching on demand, you don't care about that, but let me explain. I traveled last week and forgot my laptop. Yay! So, working on different machine, it's a lot of joy. And yesterday had a recording to do, and my mic didn't work with the other computer, so I was like, hey, let's switch to this computer. So like I could record something like an episode of Open at Microsoft, and I was like, okay, let's do that. So I changed a bunch of config, and this morning first I was like, oh, like there's that notification. I have 30 minutes, plenty of time to apply Microsoft update, right? Yeah, not really. So I did that, and turns out it took forever, but we made it. So I'm happy about that. Now I'm running I don't know what the update was about. I didn't have the time to check. I just kind of like, quick, let's start the stream. And obviously all the settings were wrong because I changed stuff last second. Okay, so now we're live. I'm happy. Today we'll be working on, oh, I have some shadow on this side. Is it better? Mostly done. Let's try to fix that. That's worse. Now it's kind of okay. It's kind of okay. Cool. I was saying about, yeah, so we'll be working on the NoteBookmark. So let me put that in the chat. So note. Voila. So that's the project we're working on. I like it. It's a project. Do I have a demo? We'll see it later when I run it. It's a project I use for my reading notes. So every Monday I share my reading notes. I started that long time ago. It's a way for me to remember what I read. And sometimes I'm talking to someone, say, yeah, I read something about it. Then like I could go on my blog and share it. And with time, like I realized that if it's good for me, it's probably good for others. So I'm doing it, also sharing it, like doing it publicly so others can use it. It's not the most read blog post, but I'm doing it for myself, and like I need a little tool to do that. I used to do that on my Kindle, but I changed device, and now I'm still using an e-reader, like e-paper ink reader, but I don't have access to the note I'm taking inside that app, so I'm building one. And at the same time, I'm having fun, building this. And today we'll be looking, I want to upgrade since last week, was it last week? I'm so confused in all the dates. Last week was .NET-Conf. I don't know if you saw that. Let's YouTube /.net. Wow, YouTube.net. Boom. Tons tons of video, and I still need to watch plenty because, as you can see, I didn't watch many. It was pretty cool. So it was a 2-day event where I was a host with many different people. I was a co-host with John Galloway, super cool, in front of like big screen, saying, hey, look, taking your comments, your questions, and asking the speaker live. That was pretty nice. And after that, Jeffrey Fritz did 24-hour live stream, and I did a host of that. I was part of the host team. Let's put it this way. And instead of having like 2 consecutive like block, Bruno and I decided to team, and we did 6 hours together. It was long, and I'm happy he was there with me. We hit tons of issue. It was early in the morning for us. And we were in Redmond on the campus, and we had like a bunch of issue. We needed to change location 3 times. I was presenting, and for some reason I had an echo. So everything I was saying, I was hearing it with like a 2 second, maybe a second and something delay. It was hyper confusing. I should have just removed my headset, but then like I was co-presenting with Jason Han, my super buddy. I think I have the video here, so I want to let's so that's the talk. I just want to pause it, and it was about get started with open telemetry. So let me put that in the note. Let me put what it is. I never remember if it's note or notes. Cool. So I did that. So here you can see like I was with Bruno, and like we were just changing stuff. So initially we had 2 cameras, and now we were using his. Was connected. His computer was the one streaming. So that's why you can see I'm called Bruno Capuano. And I was with Jason, so I could have just removed my headset and I will be able to like work properly. But then like if Jason talked, I couldn't hear him. So I was like, okay, let's do that. So watch this video and let me know, like ping me on Blue Sky, Twitter, whatever, LinkedIn, whatever social, Facebook, whatever social you're using, ping me and let me know. Can you see that in my head I'm just turning crazy because of like that 2 second delay, 1 second delay? I don't know, I didn't count, but it was very annoying. Like for example, right now I'm hearing myself, but it's mostly immediate. And the reason why I'm doing that is to be constant, like to know the level of the mix between my voice and the music and the sounds happening. So like hearing myself, I get it, but with the delay, oh my god, it was hard. But anyway, I think it doesn't show. At some point I was like trying to say something and getting confused, but it was good talk, I think. And this talk was about open telemetry. And so we explained what it is at the beginning. Jason, I think, did a great job about explaining what it is and what it's not. And after that, I was saying, open telemetry is the second most popular project. And if you look, it's open telemetry, and after that, it's Kubernetes. So pretty impressive. And so what I did, and I have a repo. What is it again? ca5m.ca/ I think it's hotel demo. Let's try this. I think it's that. Yes. Cool. Hopefully hold it. Oh no. Note. You probably hear it. I have a different keyboard, and I have now arrow keys on this one. Super thin. I love it. Though I like my other one, but yeah, whatever. So it's easier in terms of setup. Hopefully, maybe it's notes. Yeah, I should do a test with notes. Yeah, so OpenTelemetry. So I created a workshop where like you could reproduce it, but basically what the talk was about, I was explaining what it is, showing how easy it is to visualize all those telemetry stuff, those matrix. Like you see, I think I start with that. Oh, that part was skipped. Okay, so we show what it is, how visualize those telemetry using Aspire. The project will also be working today, also using Aspire. By the way, Aspire is not a project, it's a set of tools when you're working locally, right? So we'll be doing that. And after that, I show, hey, once it's deployed, you don't want to keep, like, you can still use the Aspire dashboard, but you should be using a different tool. You should be using, let's say, App Insight. So I show what do you need to change to go with App Insight. Spoiler, it's very simple. You just kind of like add a connection string and change and uncomment something, because the Aspire team did like write it down for you and like comment it. So it's easy. You just have to uncomment it. You do that. And after that, I said, well, you know, like maybe you're still like you're already using like a third-party tool to like visualize. It could be New Relic, could be a bunch of other one, but since Jason was there, we used Datadog, obviously, right? So we are showing that, like, and we had like the agent, Datadog agent running in a container, showing that. So if you want to try it, you could go there. I think you can, like, I'm pretty sure there's still that promotion going on. So like you can have like a 30 days Datadog for free. And they have like great webinar going on, so you could give it a try. Like I give all the code there. Like this is App Insight. I didn't do any screenshot. Oh yeah, I did the screenshot of like the Datadog one. So yeah, and I'm like searching for my bread. What else we did? Like so many good talk. I still need to watch so many. I didn't have all the time because this week I was kind of like running out trying to configure my laptop and everything to be able to work. Okay, so today it's a little bit tiny, right? Can I make it bigger? I'm right there. So I think today we'll be working on this one. Right, so moving to .NET 9. Am I already? I think I did update .NET 9. Yes. Cool. I guess I did. But let's do that. .NET workshop. No, workload. Work space on workload update. So that's to, oh yeah, I need to be I'm on Debian, and security is a bit stronger than Ubuntu, so like there's a few commands where you need to be super user. I think it's great. Cool. Okay, so yeah, .NET Aspire was there. Okay, cool. So we'll update the .NET version for the project, and after that I ran the outdated tool, dotnet-outdated, and there was a few things that could be updated, so we'll be doing that. So I think we'll be working on that today. Edit note. Yeah, I just want to edit a note, right? I think let's do that, and let's look. Adding a post directly could be cool though. Let's run the update, and like tags could be cool, but I don't think there's a nice way to put tags right now. And I think Fluent. Tag list. Was it tag, or it was called something else? Oh, it's Fluent UI. I should have said Fluent UI. Because I know if I go Fluent UI Blazor, I don't think we have anything right now in the component for like having badge. Maybe I could do badge. Oh, could I do badge? Oh. Oof. I could do badge, maybe. Badge dismiss. Yeah, but I still see it. More option. I feel like this is not working. Let's reload. Maybe it's badge. Like what I want is like those little block. I thought it was tag, but it could be badge. Let's have a look. Okay, basic input. That's small, huh? Oh, and I'm still in the way. Rank, when will you learn? Let's go in the other corner. Voila, so I'm not hiding anything. So those are basic. Yeah, no, I don't think it's that. And it's kind of... What's a face pile? I don't know what it was called. it's this. No, I don't want that. Fluent UI, let's say tags. You know, like this is what I want, like, and then like you could post them, or if you go in Azure DevOps. Oh no, I cannot go see that one. So maybe it's badge. Maybe we could try with badge, see how it works. Web component. Okay, anyway, so let's start. Let's start anyway by this one, updated. So let's move it to in progress. And now let's load the project. I have Visual Studio Code opened here. Oh, cool! I have it in the So see, when you run the command .NET-outdated, like that, it shows you like, hey, this thing is like, red is like critical, yellow is kind of like, hey, you know, minor version. So that's pretty good. One thing we want to do is update the project. So if I go here, I should just have, to do this and save. And go in the app host and do this. And go in the Blazor app and do this. And I should have created, now I'm in delete button. That's bad. Attention, I can start. Yeah, I had a late start. I had some Windows update going on. And after that, like, it's perfect you miss it. I think it took me 20 minutes to figure out the sound stuff. So nice to see you, Sorry Deb.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
Look at that. Bonjour. Hi. I saw you winning. Also, I was very happy when I was beside the. Is it true? No, I was in my hotel room, jet lag total, tried to work, and I was like, and I'm watching the stream and having a lot of fun when they were like giving out the prices for .NET Conf, and I saw you win, so I was like, hey, that's awesome. I'm happy. Let me try if I'm saying it. I should have, like, if it's me. Oh yeah, like bonjour. I cannot even type bonjour correctly on my own language.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
Bonjour. Hi.
There it is. That was me.
Bonjour. Hi.
And now it's me again. Yeah, well, and thank you. It was a lot of fun presenting with John Galloway. And did you see the part where I was like hosting like a super long event and I was presenting also in like 3 different locations and stuff? That was a lot of fun though.
Bonjour. Hi.
Mr. Magoo is here too. Hello, hello. We're just getting started, and I realized I was not in the good branch, so we'll fix that. Yes, I was presenting with like, yes, it was cool. I was just saying, It was awful. Like I could hear myself with the delay doing that. Oh my god, it was so hard to present. Let's add the delete button. Okay, so let's stash those. Let's come to main. Let's create a new. Come on. Okay, voila. And in fact, let's go from here, since we started that one. You have the option here, create a branch. I love that. Cool, let's create a branch. Oh man, it was so hard to focus, but watching like I shared a video earlier, like it's not available on the YouTube.net channel, and I don't think you can see that I'm having the hardest time of my life. Maybe not the hardest, but like one of them. I think the video was like turns out to be good. I was worried because honestly, for me, it was not fun, but it worked out. I could have just like that was I was sharing that earlier. I thought like I had the idea. Let's just remove my headset. I don't need it. But then like if Jason talk or ask a question or want to jump in, I wouldn't be able to hear it. So I was like, oh, I will keep that. But okay, so back to here, what I want to do is check out this one. Cool, so now we are on this. We'll do the update later. Enough update for today. So now, since we are in the new, let's pop. So cool, so what I did was I did change the API. Cheap viewers on streamboo.com, remove the space. What? Oh no, that's not cool, mister. Thank you, sorry Dev. I'm always struggling to find the option. We like the hard work here. We like to learn things, and when you make things automatically or like fake them, you may have like tons of viewers, but then you didn't do the grind. And I believe in the grind. If you're having fun, obviously. Cool. So we have 3 of the project have been updated. So can you, sorry Dev, what did you win again? I forgot. I know you win. And Mr. Magoo, did you win something too? I don't know, like I was very happy to see like bunch of names that I knew. You know, I told Jeff after, that was pretty cool. And it was totally random, so you're really lucky. Because it was a lot of people, so it's cool. It was nice also to see Jeff and I have the time to chat with him and stuff. We left like not at the same time, but then like I was walking in the airport and he was there sitting on a bench. I was like, hey, I had time to chat with him. It was pretty cool to see him and have time to chat in person with Jeff. Talking about Jeffrey Fritz here, another streamer. A quick a team license of something. Okay, cool. A quick way to ban someone if you have the chat open. Yeah. Okay, cool. But then I need to, oh, I think, yeah, okay, whatever. Thank you. I'll give it a try next time. Hopefully there's, I can have a bunch of, you know, I can bring that. I have this is where I have the chat. It's tiny though, but oh, maybe I could make it bigger. That would be better. So I have this, and I'm always looking, like I won't do anything, Mr. Magoo, but I'm always like trying to, oh, so I could click on the name and like whisper, or oh no, yeah. So here I think, yeah, ban, timeout. Okay, so just by clicking the name. Cool, but I won't do that because Mr. Magoo is a nice person, a nice human. And yeah, like, you make me realize I didn't try drop today. Weird. Did I turn off the mod icon? I see you are a moderator.
Yay!
So obviously, Sardi Dev landed with a tiny score, so we can beat him. I think also I need to refresh my stream setup. I was watching a few streamers and feel old. It's not really up to date. Okay, so we save all that. Can we compile now? Will it compile? Is anybody of you know? Will it blend? Did you follow that YouTube series? Will it blend? And that they were putting a bunch of stuff in a blender to prove the blender was awesome. Like iPhone and a bunch of stuff. Okay, cool. So I have a bunch of stuff that I don't understand. The one thing I don't like about doing it from the Solution Explorer, have updates, is it's not in color. I really like the tool. Oh, let's refresh Copilot. But I wish it was in color. Like right now, like I miss the color. I need to spot like the red. Though you could see it in problem, but right now, see in problem I have nothing. But when I was trying to compile, I was seeing some warning on our stuff. And if I go then in terminal, let's clear. And if I do .net build here, I will see the yellow and yellow and the red and red. Nope, I won't see anything. What? Element. I don't know what it means. Okay, so see here, I see, hey, like this package. So we'll definitely do the upgrade. Okay, cool. Well, I'm glad you're here to do that. One thing also, I don't think it's been a while. I did work a lot on this. Yeah, I worked a lot. Why did because I'm why did I work? I had one day off, and it's a tool that I use, and I worked a lot on it. So like, I feel like that would be also cool to show what that tool does. So, but before we do, I want to do. Let's do the .NET-outdated. No? Is it .NET-outdated? Outdated? I think I need to do a sudo. I don't know. No? Not updated, outdated. Cool. Okay, so we still have that. So we could do this, and we could do upgrade, I think. No? Dash upgrade, maybe? There's a way to, yeah. No? Yeah. Cool. Do you watch Ignite this week? I barely watched the keynote because I was trying to set up my laptop. Oh, one thing you miss also, like Sorry Dev and Mr. Magoo, is I forgot my laptop in the DevRel studio. I was like working on something, and then someone asked me that, like, to show them the, like, I have a e-reader, e-paper in color, but color. And it was, can I see it? And I was like, sure. And like, it's in my backpack. So I kind of like closed my laptop, put it beside, and just like went in my backpack, showing that. And then I think Jeff came out, asked me questions and stuff like that. Or I forgot, like, or maybe it was John, I forgot, like someone, and then I kind of forgot my laptop, and then we left. So I was like, okay, what, like, you know, I need to work, and like to work, like there's a lot of security, obviously, and I cannot just do whatever. So I initially tried working from my phone, didn't work well, though it did work, but not great, because, you know. And so finally I found an older device I had, but it was running Linux. I was like, let's give it a try. So I did join to the domain with it. Oh, I think I will land. Yes! Did it!
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
And just like that, I'm taking the lead. But it took me like, I think all my Monday, because getting back up, like I had plenty of emails, kind of like, you were in an event and stuff like that. So like I wasn't up to date. So I kind of like passed through all my email, set up working on my phone, didn't work, set up the laptop, mostly worked. So like kind of all my Monday, Tuesday was kind of like with that. And I did have the keynote running, but I didn't pay too much attention, unfortunately. Oh, that's good, Mr. Magoo. So now everybody landed.
Yay!
Is it just for you, or it's all like, is it just for me, or you're also hearing the sound kind of like choppy? The yay, for example. 38. So right now, Sorry Dev is in last position, right? Okay. Well, you still have like at least an hour to win. So with that, our project is updated. I love it. I love that. So if we look here, I really like that. See, like, okay, before we were using Azure Blob Storage beta version. Now we're using 12.13, 12.23. From here for the Open API, from 8.8 to 9. Here for Smashbuckle to 7. That's cool. App host from 8 to 9. Cool. Here nothing except .NET. Here nothing except .NET. Here. Sorry. Resilience. Okay, those are, those match the version of .NET. Cool. Open telemetry protocol. That's great. That's great. Cool. So, does it compile? Thank you, Lord. How are you? I have errors. Oh no. Why don't I see this? Oh, see, solution vanished? Solution doesn't show up anymore. One thing I start saying earlier was I did work a lot like offline, and I was having some trouble. And I'm not sure that I reached the limit of my laptop. Like, it's not the best laptop, like it's a older laptop. And like I know I'm running in VS Code, not in like Visual Studio, and like I'm having a few projects. So I was having an error constantly about reaching a limit of something, and I think I tried to fix it. $113 problem. Please no. Let's build. Should have like, it was saying 3 I think before. Let's have a look. Now we're 12, 13, 38, 43. Should go down, not go up. Oh, well, those are all just warning. Oh, that's a real one. Whoop. Did it just vanish? Okay, it's not a problem anymore. Okay, well, let's F5, see how it goes. Build failure. No. The app host project require a reference to the app host SDK 9 version. So the app host, yeah. I don't get it. Like, do I need app host SDK? I can do that. I just feel like it's really. Need that? Yes. SDK like this. Cool. Okay, let's try again. Well, that's big. It's not that. Let's check on NuGet. You can see I was busy this week doing a bunch of stuff and I didn't touch my project. Ah. Okay. No. Okay, they remove, so it's Aspire, hosting. Okay, cool. Yeah, they changed a few things and I forgot what was like. They also so many changes. Version was 9, right? Yeah. Okay, let's give it a try. Whoops, what did I do? No, not this page, this page. I was keeping refreshing the, nope, build error. I don't see any build error. Let's build this. The JSON, text JSON. Okay, but that's a warning, right? Okay, so can I? Let's have a look on the version for this. Yeah, oh, version 9. Where am I? In the app hoops? No. In the domain? I'm not using. Where is it? And dependencies? Packages? I'm just using this. Where I'm using. So Blazor hat. Should I hard code it? I just see this. And it's a class. Okay, let's first let's see, where did I use that? Find me where I use this. In my reading note. Okay. It's unnecessary anyway. Okay. This is unnecessary anyway. Okay. Okay, so here it is necessary. And it's in the API. Okay, cool. So in the API dependencies package, but there's another file that specifies it. Global. I forgot what it is. I think global is at the project solution level. I mean. I don't config that JSON. No. Should I have think twice before showing that, but that's good. Maybe I need to do like a .NET clean. Let's clean. Not sure why it's working. It's not working, I mean. A project. So in this, where am I? Is it project? No, those are dependencies. Okay. But where? There's a way to table blob. Maybe I can specify it. Okay, so now we did it. So let's do a clean. Didn't work. Let's do, voila. Let's do a .NET build. The package Aspire app host SDK in .NET platform was incompatible with the project. What? What is happening? One thing we can do, let's try that. So let's go in the terminal. Let's clear it. Oh my god. I have no idea if you can hear that, but for me right now, it's extremely noisy. Okay, that doesn't solve the problem. It's okay, it's not coming from here. Where that thing is coming from? Is it here? I remember having the same issue the other day. How did I fix it? This is loud. You like, for you, like, nothing changed, right? What was the problem last time? No. Is it my cable? Where is that? I'm just hearing white noise, like snow. No. I mean, I can continue with that. I can just turning it low, but it is annoying. What caused that? Why am I hearing that? I know I had that the other day. How did we fix it? Okay. I don't know where that's coming from. If I go to another scene, is it the same thing? Yep. I have no idea what's causing that. Where does it come from? Default speaker. Oh man, it is really annoying. Okay, I will. I will lower the volume. I'm sorry if I'm slow. I'm getting the chat. I just lowered the volume so I don't hear. For me, I'm just hearing. Oh, maybe I can do that so you could hear it. Let's do that. This is what I hear. It's hard. It's hard to work. I'll do my best. Okay, let's do that. So let's go back to this computer. And now what I want to do is go into my dev and do I have a local? Cool. And let's do .net new hub host. Oh, let's just do a new Blazor, and let's call it test. Cool. Let's go to test. Oh, I can instead I could do code test. Right. Cool. So here it's tiny. Okay, and let's move into the other corner. It just bugs me out though, like why I'm hearing that. Where is that coming from? Would I? Let me try one thing, okay? So I will come back in. Like I'm staying with you, but like we may lose sound, but image will stay. So let's shut down this. And I think we're back. Well, at least I'm back. Can I hear the music again? I don't hear the music. Is it a big deal? I can hear it, kind of. Hello, hello. Music is very low, and I'm loud. Why is that? Now we lost it. Yeah, okay. If I do this. Is it getting in? I don't think so. Is it getting in? No, huh? I did change something here, so let's try this. Music is still playing, right? Yes. Everything was working. Oh man. This? Why the music is not working? I think it should be this and that. Whatever. Hello, hello. Is it? It's kind of. It's coming, but it's choppy, eh? Okay, so now I think you can hear me, right? But there's no music, right? Or maybe it's that one I need to change. It's still coming kind of like just like by like a few notes. Now is it getting in for you? I think it does. I see the line moving. Music and voice. So it's just me. Lovely. Okay, whatever. So if you have a good time, at least now, I'm guessing, let's test.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Yeah, so there's something weird with my my sound. I can't, like, everything is super choppy, but whatever. We'll continue for like this for now. Oh wow, that's fun. I'm all sweaty. Okay, so we did create. Oh, that's loud, Frank. Like, you don't need to hear yourself that loud. So I did this because now what I will be doing is from here we'll add a new project to the solution. The hey new project, and we'll add a app host. And we'll call it app host. And yes, the default, create a project, and we'll have a look. What's the difference between this one and the one we created before? So if I look here, oh, interesting. Oh, but like, yeah, that was 8. Should I keep the 8? Well, see, it's still this. What? Why did it not? What? Uh-huh. Don't have any glow. So why I'm still in yeah. Why did he create the a version 8 of my project? It's not update, it's upgrade. Okay, it doesn't, okay, why? Oh. Well, I did it earlier, so oh, I forgot the that's weird. The music is fine for you, Lord Gwydion? It's not fine for me. Can I? Is there a way for me to? If I do this, does it tell me the version? Oh, dash info. No, I want to see. Oh, list maybe. Forgot what it is. Probably dash list. No. purchase list. What? What? Okay, so now we have it. Let's remove this. And let's try a new project. Maybe I should reload this. So let's try to reload. Maybe I should close it. Oh man. Let's put a thumbs up here. You know. Oh cool, I have like a Christmas hat. A Santa Claus hat. Cool, so let's give it a try again. New project. Yeah, that should be good, right? .NET Aspire, hub host. Let's call it one default directory. Show template option? Show me the template option. Ah, framework. Create a project. Oh wait, does app test was 8? No, app test was 9. Not app test, but the application test. So that was why it's 8. Mr. Magoo! Well, you did the better score earlier, right? $21. So I'm losing my touch. I wouldn't worry too much about that. So, okay, if I do this and we compile again, let's clean. I don't know why the app host is still in .NET 8. Let's close completely the app and start again. I look like I may again have the issue. It's doing the again. I want a new empty window. Let's lower the volume so I don't turn crazy when it. Wow, what's that? Why it's doing this to me? Hello. Okay, I'm still in. I don't know why it's doing that. It's all good. No, I cannot show you that screen. Oh, could I? But I'm using the Rode Streamer X because my mic. Can I bring the mic in? So my mic, it's a XLR. It used to be a USB, and I didn't have any issue. And at some point, I thought, let's treat myself and let's buy like a better mic. So I bought that mic. I think it's a great mic, but to plug an XLR you need like a device, and I was like, okay, cool, let's buy the Rode X Streamer X. It looked cool. I have like a few buttons where
I could do sound effect like this. Like, you know, it's nice.
Or, you know, funny voice, crickets.
I can do a few effects, and I was like, hey, cool, but then you need to install kind of like apps to control it on Windows. And so there's Unify, there's 2 apps, and this one is just, I don't know, since the beginning I have issues. And this morning when I boot up, it was like, there's a new version. So I did apply, but I didn't reboot. So maybe I need to reboot and then it will be fixed, I don't know. But right now I still hear the If you don't hear that, I'm fine with it. I'll survive. It's tiny. Let's make it bigger. That's a lot big. Okay, so now let's give it a try. Can I build this? Now it should complain about this thing, right? Or maybe not. Maybe I should keep it there, and like that would be a bug. Maybe I will do that. I will come back to this, to the Aspire hosting app host, and I will open a bug so we can investigate that, and instead today like make progress on something else instead of like fighting that, because time is flying and I want to see. Yeah. So let's go back to this instead. We'll come in .NET 8. So we close this. And this project in the app host. Here. Let's... Oh, I had both. Oh, I don't need both. Just need one, right? Oops. Not the version. They're not built. But here the problem was about JSON stuff. It's really annoying. A apphost.net Aspire host project needs a package reference to Aspire app host. .8.2. Yeah, so I feel like this is what I need. I need both? No. Okay, so let's do this for now. Oh, I cannot compile, so it's just like complaining about a bunch of stuff. Warning, the package! Yeah, but how can I update the damn package? Success with warning. Okay, success with warning is good, but I would like to upgrade this. Let's look online. Nope. I don't see the, maybe I can hard code it. Force it. I could do this. I just don't get it. Where is it? NuGet edit mode direct. So it was in the API, right? Let's do that. That should fix our problem. The SDK reference goes to the SDK tag. What? Oh, here you mean? Here there's a SDK? Is it what you mean? Thank you. Ah, interesting. So it's still framework 8? No, I can update it to framework 9. Right? This, the target framework, that's okay. Not in property group. In the property group, I should put 8. Also, it's still complaining about that. Maybe I need to do a .NET clean. I will remove this. It's useless. I just hear noise. The SDK goes into the property group. Yeah, I put it there, right? It's here. Oh, it's tiny, sorry. The SDK does not go in the property group. Well, oh, it's outside. Okay, sorry. The guy is like pulling his hair. No! Or maybe you're like, Mr. Magoo doesn't have any hair, so maybe you're bald too. I don't know. That's fine. I'm coming your way, or like Magoo's way. Okay, this is what you want. I love it.
Go now! Don't drop the banana! Why not? Good source of potassium!
Because of you. Okay, fine. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Let's clear this. Let's try again. Okay, so now it compiled, but we still have this error in domain. I mean, what? Let's do the same trick. That was app host, so we're good with this one. API. Let's take this. Let's force it. Oh, they did solve the problem. It's a little bit big here. I cannot read the message. It's so kind of like every line. Domain. Yeah, look like we've. Okay, so let's try indeed domain. Let's put this. There's certainly, voila, a better way to do that. But for now, no, that's not what I wanted. I like the new way it built. It's very clean. Oh, like now you're talking, Mr. Magoo. Now you didn't lose your touch. You're just kind of like. Getting higher and higher. Okay, so now it's working. It compiled. Let's try F5. My God, that was long. And we'll have done one thing. But that's a thing, right? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But we learn stuff. And obviously it did open, but in the wrong window. I still have this. I thought that was fixed in .NET 9. Though I think I need to. There was something in the terminal I saw earlier. Where was it? Like about the certification. Okay, so let's go back to here. So it's an Aspire solution. So this project has an API and like a web app. So Aspire start both. I don't have to make configuration, and I have like the console for each of them. That's great, right? And if I had like multiple stuff, let's say I had caches or whatever, like I will have all the resource here. Now we could go in the I could go in the API if I want to see the API. So I have like the Swagger stuff that I'm using, or I could go in the app. Please open the app. Voila. So that's the app. And right now, with Vincent from the Blazor UI stuff, he did help me because that was not working. So now we can change. We have light and dark themes. We can change the default color. I like the blue. Like this. Like this is some settings for the creating the notes and stuff like that. Now I can see all the reading notes. Here that was published. I could open one if I want. It's empty because that's the next one. It's true. So that's the next one will be this. So like that. This is like you see all the articles. So that's the blog post I will be publishing next Monday. So I read this and I was that's super cool. And then I read this article about GitHub Copilot Azure and was like, that's nice. I have the URL, I have the author and stuff like that. So like I can build, I can remove some. That was just because I was testing stuff. So I could remove this one if I want. And it's just super cool. I can add another category. Let's say podcasts. I could say, hey, I'm adding podcast, and then like I could do a bunch of stuff, right? So that's the blog post. And now when I'm reading, I'm having this list, and I could say, hey, I want to add a comment. So I'm clicking here and I'm hiding my stuff. And as I was talking earlier with the oh, Lanigan, I'm telling you, you're really good. I was about to say a bad word here. Yeah, it's tag right now. I put like with a dot, but I think that would be cool to have something better. And I think maybe using the what was it again? How do they call that? The badge, like this, maybe. I don't know. I want to be able to add and, like, you know, you click the plus and it's kind of like, okay, what do you want to add? And you specify, and if you don't want, then like you could just like remove. But I'm not sure. Like, used to be this, it was all JavaScript. I used that in the previous project. Maybe I need to check the code, though. Like, also I would like to use Blazor Fluent UI to do it. But yeah, so that's the project right now. So let's close this. Let's close that. Oh, it's in the other. Let's close this. I don't need this one. So yeah, so I don't want to save this. So that's the thing. One thing that could be cool is, oh, I can edit. Oh, I can edit. Oh, I cannot delete it. So I can edit. That's nice. I need a back. I need a back button. So here in the edit, yeah, let's do that. So can I, what is it? Where is the print screen? I think it's this. No, it's not this. If I do print screen, cool. Let's interesting. If I do print screen again, yeah, it does like all of it. Tool. Yeah, no, I would like. Oh, excellent. That's what I wanted. I want this. Take it. How do you take it? Yeah. Cool. So now I have this. So let's go copy image to clipboard. Let's go in our edit note. Let's specify what we want. Yeah. That's nice. All good, Mr. Magoo. We're about to wrap up anyway, so. And I cannot extend because I have a one-on-one with my manager. Oh, no, like, reopen. I just want to add this comment. Did I? Okay. Great, so it is reopened. Yeah. Cool. One thing I could also share is, so outdated, I think we did it, right? It's working. We did upgrade to .NET 9, so I think it's good. So we can close that one, so we should push it first. Let's do that. So let's stop the app. I'm doing too many things at the same time. So let's stop the app. Let's go in here. Right, so we did change our version. We did change here the SDK thanks to Mr. Magoo. We figured it out. I need to understand, like, I missed that part though in the news. I need to check David. I'm guessing it's David Follow, or maybe it was Damien who shared that during .NET Conf. Because on site, like, you're like doing so many things, it's hard sometimes to focus. Even when I was hosting, like, you need to prep the next speaker and stuff like that. So like I was like, I wish like there was, I still need to watch a lot of talks. Even like when I was the host, like I was watching, but then like maybe the next speaker comes, so like I'm focusing on them for like, let's say 10 minutes. It's kind of like, okay, let's do the tech check and stuff. Okay, so it looks like it's all good. So let's stage everything and commit and push. This is great. It's working. So now we can take this and bring it to main. Hello. Voila. Start a pull request. Upgrade to .NET 9 and package update 2. That's assigned. Let's put it assigned to me, and I think it's good. Let's do this. Let's go check that on GitHub. Squash and merge, confirm, and what's nice now, it will go deploy into Azure in my subscription. So now what I want to do is, so here, nice. This is close, right? Cool, and implement filter. Oh yeah, that would be cool too. Yeah, let's backlog. Do I have? Yeah, that's good. Let's bring it here, and I want to add a new item here. Let's edit, not the title. I want to edit this.
Bonjour. Hi.
DevOps. He's moved around and like, cool. Excellent. So, that's great. It should be a real convert in an issue for this project. Boom! So I think this and this should be ready to work on. Cool. So, and that will conclude today's stream, I think. Hey GT, sorry I missed. I'm not hearing anything today. I had like some issue with my headset. Let me share again with you what I'm hearing. This is what I'm hearing instead of music and stuff. So I removed my headset. So sorry I miss you jumping in the stream. Happy to see you here. So yeah, like who's streaming? Let's have a look. Is there any member of the... It's all good. Thank you. It's not all good because I wish I could hear music. It's like way more fun when we're all hearing music. Is anybody coding today? I see a lot of games. ASMR programming. Maybe that's what I should do. Just like, yeah, ASMR. Well, I think it will be, yeah, unfortunately, I think that's it. Where is it? Where is my stream? Okay, cool. Let's come here. Let's go here. Let's come back to this project. That's excellent. I think it was a cool stream, everybody. I hope you liked it. Sorry for all the bug tech issue. Next time I won't like apply some update a few minutes before the stream. Should learn. It's not the first time I'm doing that though. I don't know, like like there's a lot of like tech issue recently on my stream. I'm very sorry about that, but I think it's part of it. When you always change stuff. Looking forward to clean that up and make it more steady. I will be streaming next week. It will be the Black Friday, so maybe a lot of American will be also streaming. I don't know, maybe it will be less or more people. Less, it's difficult. It's very small crew I'm usually having. But anyway, I wish you all a great weekend. Enjoy. If it's good outside where you are, go outside, unplug for a few minutes, and like go outside, take fresh air, enjoy, and I will see you next week. Bye everybody. Thank you for being there. Thank you Mr. Magoo for the help. Thank you SortyDev for moderating. It was great. And for all the others, thank you for being there. And I will just need to save the data and now stop the stream. Bye.